Dear student, in this video I will explain you the structure of DNA. First of all, DNA, the full form of the DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. So this is the full abbreviation of DNA, a full form deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is a polymer and this is made up of the monomer, and the name of the monomer is deoxyribonucleotide. Means deoxyribonucleic acid, which is a polymer, is made up of a number of monomers, and the monomer is deoxyribonucleotide. Now this deoxyribonucleotide is made up of three components. The first is pentose sugar, second is nitrogenous base, and this is phosphate group. So these three components, they are forming deoxyribonucleotide. Now pentose sugar, as name indicate, this is made up of 5 carbons. Means this is 5 carbon sugar. This is very important because this pentose sugar will determine the name of that is nucleic acid. If deoxyribose sugar is present, then DNA will be formed, and in RNA this is ribose sugar will occur. So now pentose sugar, this is pentose sugar. We will start numbering from left to right. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 carbons, they are in the ring, and the 5th carbon is here. 5th carbon is here. Now this is the first carbon, and with the first carbon nitrogenous base will join. So this is the nitrogenous base, and it will join or it will add in the first carbon of the pentose sugar. This is the 5th carbon, and this 5th carbon, the phosphate group will combine or add. So in this way, these 3 components, phosphate group plus pentose sugar plus nitrogenous base, combinedly they will form a deoxyribonucleotide or nucleotide. Deoxyribonucleotide means, suppose this is the pentose sugar. In pentose sugar, if in the second position OH group is present, means the oxygen is present, this is ribose sugar, and any oxygen is not occurring or not present, then this is deoxyribose sugar. Because we are talking about the DNA, then in second position oxygen will be absent. Now nitrogenous bases can be of 2 types, that is purine and pyrimidine. So now nitrogenous bases are of 2 types, purines and pyrimidine. Purine means these are made up of double ring carbon, nitrogen base. And pyrimidine, they are made up of single. Now this is the difference between these two. Purines, they are made up of two rings, and pyrimidines, they are made up of the single ring base. So they are made up of single ring base. This is the difference between these two. Now in purine, example is adenine and guanine. In case of DNA, pyrimidine will be cytosine and thymine. So now these are two type of nitrogenous bases, purine and pyrimidines. Purines, they are made up of double carbon rings, and here they are made up of single ring base. Now they are adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine is only that is cytosine and thymine in case of DNA. Now what happened? Always purine will base with the pyrimidine. We will later on study. Means here adenine will pair with the thymine and guanine will pair with the cytosine. Means always adenine means the purine will pair with the pyrimidine. Now adenine will pair with the thymine and guanine will pair with the cytosine. And these two nitrogenous bases in DNA, they will pair with the help of hydrogen bonds. If adenine will pair with the thymine, then two hydrogen bases will hydrogen bonds will be there. Guanine will pair with the cytosine, then three hydrogen bonds will be there. Now second is phosphate group. So now first of all, we will understand about the bonds. This is the pentose sugar, right? Now this is the first carbon, and here the nitrogenous base will combine, and the bond is known as an glycosidic bond. So this is the N-glycosidic bond, right, will form at the time pentose sugar will combine with the nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base can be adenine, can be guanine, can be cytosine and thymine in case of DNA. Now this is the fifth one. As I told you earlier, यहाँ पर आपका क्या होगा, ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर आपका ऑक्सीजन होगा. दिस इज द थर्ड वन. फिफ्थ वन में हमने यहाँ देखा ये साइकिल से बाहर है आपका पांचवा कार्बन, और यहाँ पर आपका CH2. नाउ दिस इज O मीन्स P, यहाँ पर फिर आपका आया OH, देन यहाँ पर आपका फिर आया OH और डबल बॉन्ड O. तो नाउ दिस इज द फिफ्थ कार्बन. इवन वी कैन राइट लाइक दैट्स ऑल्सो OCH2. दिस इज द फिफ्थ कार्बन. तो यहाँ पर दिस फिफ्थ कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन इन दोनों के बीच जो ये बॉन्ड बन रहा है, दिस इज नोन एज फॉस्फो डाइएस्टर bond. This is known as the phosphodiester linkage or phosphodiester bond. तो यहाँ पे in DNA two types of bonds will occur. One N-glycosidic bond which will form between pentose sugar and nitrogenous base, and this is phosphodiester bond which will form between fifth carbon and oxygen of phosphate group. Right, now we will understand if there is no phosphate group, right, if there is no phosphate group, then nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar will form nucleoside. But if phosphate group will be added in nucleoside, then nucleotides will form, and this nucleotide is the monomer, and because of deoxyribose sugar, this is known as deoxyribonucleotide. So now we will understand how these two nucleotides will combine with each other. Thank you. I'm a diagram.